Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about how to pack for a backpacking trip. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a first-timer, packing for a backpacking trip can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you pack efficiently and effectively for your next adventure. Start with a packing list. The first step in packing for a backpacking trip is to make a packing list. This list will help you keep track of everything you need to bring and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Your packing list should include all the essentials, such as your tent, sleeping bag, and backpack, as well as any personal items you need, like clothing, toiletries, and medications. Choose the right backpack. Choosing the right backpack is crucial when backpacking. Your backpack should be the right size and fit comfortably on your back. Make sure to try on several backpacks before making your final decision. Additionally, make sure your backpack has enough space for all your gear and is designed to carry the weight you'll be carrying. Pack the right clothing. When packing for a backpacking trip, it's important to pack the right clothing. Choose clothing that is lightweight, durable, and can be layered. Also, be sure to pack clothing appropriate for the weather and terrain you'll be hiking in. Remember, you can always wash your clothes on the go if you're backpacking for an extended period. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a great way to organize your gear and keep everything in its place. They come in different sizes and can be used to separate clothing, toiletries, and other items. Packing cubes make it easy to find what you need quickly and keep your backpack organized throughout your trip. Don't forget the essentials. When packing for a backpacking trip, it's important not to forget the essentials. These include a map and compass, first aid kit, water filter, and headlamp. Make sure to check that all your essential gear is in good condition and pack them in an easily accessible spot in your backpack. Pack light. One of the biggest mistakes many backpackers make is overpacking. Remember, you'll be carrying everything on your back, so it's important to pack light. Only bring the essentials and consider leaving behind any unnecessary items. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a total pack weight of no more than 20% of your body weight. Pack multi-use items. When packing for a backpacking trip, it's a good idea to pack multi-use items. For example, a bandana can be used as a washcloth, a sunshade, or a makeshift sling. A lightweight sarong can be used as a towel, a picnic blanket, or even a dress. Look for items that can serve multiple purposes to save space and weight in your backpack. Plan your meals. When backpacking, planning your meals in advance can save you time and ensure that you have enough food for your trip. Consider packing lightweight, high-energy snacks like nuts, jerky, and trail mix, as well as lightweight, dehydrated meals for your main meals. And don't forget to bring a lightweight stove and fuel to cook your meals on the trail. Pack for comfort. While packing light is important, it's also essential to pack for comfort. Make sure to bring a comfortable sleeping pad, a pillow, and a warm sleeping bag to ensure a good night's sleep. Additionally, consider packing a small camp chair or lightweight hammock for relaxing around camp. Practice packing before your trip. Finally, it's a good idea to practice packing before your trip. This will give you a chance to see how everything fits in your backpack and make any adjustments before you hit the trail. Additionally, practicing packing can help you identify any items you may have forgotten or don't need to bring, saving you space and weight in your backpack. Thanks for watching today's video on how to pack for a backpacking trip. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel more confident in your packing abilities. Remember, packing for a backpacking trip takes time and practice, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Happy trails!